I'm very good at telling other people what to do, for in fact, I was a captain. For realsies, absolutely. As you can tell, I sang a single sea shanty, and I know what I'm talking about when I do sea shanties and pirate things, because I was a real pirate. I went to school. That's a separate fact. However, I know so many pirate things. I can sing shanties, although I used to not be able to. However, instead of me talking about it, let's sing about it. As I sing, hoist up the thing. Now, there's one very important part of the song. I do still struggle with some things. Everybody's fallible. Everybody can always have something that they're working on. Now, I keep forgetting which direction is port because every time I hold up my hands, they both make the L's or neither of them do. So, port is... Which way is port?
Port is left.
Port is to the left. Now, sometimes I forget that when I'm singing the song. So if I ever say, turn hard to port, and I'm not pointing to port, then you have to shout out and remind me, that's not port. All right? All right, excellent. Hoist up the thing. Oh, fresh out of college with grades straight from hell, I browsed for a trade in which I couldn't sell, and had for a ship in need of some manning and sailed to nervous but lacking a captain. What luck says I to find such good fortune? A few white lights later I ran down the pier, bought me a coat and a cutlass or two, jumped on the deck and I yelled at the crew, hoist up the thing, back down the what's it? What's that thing spinning? Somebody should stop it. Turn hard to port. That's not port. No, I've got it. Trust me, I'm in control. I can sing the shanties, it has to be said, and all of that grog just goes right to my head. Whale meat is gross, and I miss a girl's laugh. 5 weeks at sea, even I seem a catch. Hoist up the thing, back down the what's it? What's that thing spinning? Somebody should stop it. Turn hard to port.
That's not port.
Now I've got it. Trust me, I'm in control. Oh, we've hit icy waters, no land to be seen. The food's getting low and the beer is gone clean. There's murmurs of discontent under the deck. If I don't act fast, it could be my neck. So pull up those charts and those weird gold machines. I see what it says,
but no clue what it means.
Pull on some levers and yank on some chains. Hey, now back till we've landed again. Oh, it's double the thing, knock down the what's it? What's that thing spinning? Somebody should stop it. Turn hard to port.
That's not port.
Now I've got it.
Trust me, I'm in control.
Hey, it's double the thing,
knock down the what's it? What's that thing spinning? Somebody should stop it.
Turn hard to port. Which direction's port?
Port, left. 4 letters, same direction.
Port.
Port.
Hey, I've got it. Trust me, I'm in